omniscient. Allah knows everything. Nothing can be kept a secret from Him. He knows what you whisper, think, shout, when you're good, bad, happy, sad, or etc. Yusuf's mom wanted to check if Yusuf understood that Allah is Al-Alim, in which He knows everything, even our secrets and what we whisper. Yusuf's mom had taught Yusuf a poem. He knows when you're good and when you're bad. He knows if you're telling the truth and when you're lying. He knows when you're happy and when you're sad. He knows when you need help and He helps you. He knows everything. So now, to test him, Yusuf's mom gave him a big present and told him, you can only open the present in a place where no one can see you. Yusuf thought this would be very easy. He took the present and ran upstairs, but his father was there. So Yusuf ran into the garden, but the birds were there. He thought for a moment. Then he ran down into the basement and hid under the stairs as he looked around. At last there was no one there. He was just about to open the present when suddenly he remembered what his mother had told him. Allah is Al-Alim. Yusuf went back to his mom without opening the present. His mom asked him, "Why didn't you open the present?" And he replied, "It's no use. There's no place where Allah cannot see me. Allah knows everything. Allah is Al-Alim." Yusuf's mom was very pleased with this reply and gave him a big hug. She then said Yusuf could open the present, as that was his prize.
يعلم خائنة الأعين وما تخفي الصدور.
He knows that which deceives the eyes and what the breasts conceal.